Okay, your homework was to learn the first the words from to complete, right? The first 11 lessons. Have you done this?
I done first 9 because I can't pass 9, no, level 9. I have mistake and I don't know no, which correct answer, как правильно сказать? What
Mm-hmm.
correct answer?
I don't know how to do it right. Okay, now I will share my screen with you and let's go and see what you have on my website. So this is my website. I built this website with Django and we'll be learning Django in our next lessons. The database here is Postgres. And today we'll be learning Postgres, finally. So the topic for today's lesson is Postgres. Very hard to understand, but I know that you will understand this. Yes, you learned the words. These words aren't very difficult. He posts this
This!
video. He posts this video. Do you try online?
No, I type, he posts this video in the internet. He, uh,
Now it's correct.
the,
Online.
what you,
Online. Yeah, but actually it's my bad. So I need to add one more choice here. Online or on the internet.
yes, maybe.
So and now you will need to finish lesson 10 and 11. And actually 10, 11, and 13. So your homework will be to complete the next 3 lessons. And
Yes, okay.
now I will do the following. So if you remember, we created a repository called Exchange Files, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you added me as a collaborator to that repository, and this is a private repository. But I have access to this because we collaborate on this. Yeah, we are collaborators. And right now I will command R, cmd, command prompt, and I will change the disk. And here you will see this exchange files. It has to be somewhere here. See, exchange files.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to cd into this folder, exchange files, dir, and what do we have here? Classes, git status. And right now, I will do the following. I will go to learn commands. It's my folder in which I store all the commands that I have learned. Postgres, see, for teaching. And now I will copy all these files and I will post them, insert them here, paste them here, yeah. And what do you think I will see right now here if I type git status after I pasted those files here, put them here? If I type git
Maybe.
status,
Я думаю, ничего не поменяется.
huh?
Я думаю, ничего не поменяется.
See? I added three more files in this folder. And now Git tells me, you have changes. Understand?
Mhm.
And what do I do now? So right now, we won't be using Telegram to exchange files anymore. We'll be exchanging our files on GitHub. And now tell me what I need to do right now. After I posted these files in this folder, and you have a repository of this folder on GitHub, what do I do? Tell me what to do. How do I push them to GitHub?
No, you must, the first you must maybe type git add and save this change.
Yes, and
Uh,
now?
create the git commit. No, create commit.
Yeah,
Uh,
three files on
yes,
Postgres. And
and git
now,
push.
see in create mode, install, and what we added here, and git push.
Is it?
Git push force. See, sometimes we need to do this. Sometimes we cannot. We may not understand what really happens here. So maybe you added more changes there. And if I want to overwrite the changes on GitHub, I do this: git push and force. Yes, will be working. And the opposite action: git reset, hard origin main, for example, branch. And then I need to git pull. So we cannot use force when we pull. We use force only when we push. Don't worry, we'll be learning this together with Postgres. And now I will unshare my screen and I will give you permission to share yours with me. Okay, share your screen and let's work.
Do you see my screen?
Yes, first let's launch your Ubuntu machine on AWS.
Okay.
Tell me what you are doing. Never be silent, please.
Oh, sorry. Now I run my instances. Click instance state and start. Yes, and after that I can refresh the page. And that's all. Now I open
And now you need
Visual
to.
Studio. Copy public IP and pick this. Connect to host.
Add
And
new.
new
Of course.
SSH, Ubuntu, add and paste. This and connect. This. Oh, yes, okay. Close.
Let's do this
Close
one more
this.
time.
Close this windows.
These windows.
Yes, and this windows. Фу. Запуталась.
Continue, maybe. No, not continue. Something is wrong. Ah, yes, okay. Yeah, we're in. Wonderful. Terminal.
What is it? I don't know.
No. Now we're in. Terminal. One more time. Open it one more time. Yes. And now go to GitHub, please. Exchange files, right? Refresh the page why you should have these files that I see.
Yes.
Yes, and like I
Yes,
said, now instead of using Telegram or something else, we'll be exchanging files on GitHub. And
Okay.
now go back to your, you can type command, like press Windows R, call command prompt, and find this folder, exchange files.
Sorry. CD change.
Do you have these exchange files?
Yes.
Looks like you don't have them. What do we have in exchange? I see a folder exchange. There. No, it's not a folder. Okay, what do we do right now in order for you to have this folder on your computer? What do you do?
Clone.
Yes, yeah, do this, please.
files.
I'm waiting. Yeah, wonderful, amazing. Yes.
Yes, but I don't. I forget how to do.
Click on
How
code.
to.
Click on code.
1 minute. I remember. Yes. Так, SSH. This copy and paste.
No, git
No,
clone.
no. Git clone.
No, but not here. Leave this folder. Go outside.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and now git clone and paste.
See? And now let's go inside this folder and see what you have inside.
Oh, yes, exchange files. Ready, door. Yes.
And now open, install on Ubuntu and enter ODT. You can open it with maybe Notepad.
I must type install on Ubuntu.
Yeah, there is a better solution. Go to use graphic user interface. Go to your folder. Yeah, GUI. It's command line interface. Go to your graphic user interface. Because it's Windows. Go to your folder and open that file there.
Like this?
Of course.
LT.
Exchange files.
Okay. How can I open this notepad?
Notepad, yeah, it was here, Notepad.
No, I can't.
No, add it in Notepad. See? The last from the second from the last. No, down. Yeah,
Ah,
this one, of course. Ah, no. Okay, open
maybe
with
I
Sublime Text. Sublime Text. Go here.
sublime
Underscore text. And now
text.
type everything. Like 1. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Enter. Let's wait. What's happening? Looks like the extension. You don't like the extension ODT.
Maybe.
Okay, change the extension from ODT to DOCX.
DOCX.
How do we change the extension?
I
Rename.
must open.
Rename.
Ah, what is it again? Так, rename.
Yeah, and
What
delete
extension?
ODT and type DOCXE. DOCX. Oh, no. XC, I think. Yeah, this one. And now open it one more time.
With sublime text?
And what about Windows? What about Word? Maybe you can open it in Word.
Maybe no. Okay,
Okay,
open
now Notepad. Open a
Node.
Notepad. Okay, open it with Visual Studio Code then. Another program, Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, yeah. Okay, then I will share my screen right now with you. Stop sharing the screen. And what I will do now, I will go to my folder here, and I will create a txt file, text document, one txt, one Postgres, and I will simply copy everything and put it here. See? And I will do the same one more time with the second file. I will paste it here. And now, what do I do now?
No git push.
So git status. First, I think I need git pull. Up to date. You know, I can type this reset hard git reset. Git reset. But no, it will change. No. Okay, git add git commit to files redone. Git push. It won't work again, I think. Okay. And then now you need to share your screen with me. I will stop sharing mine. And what do you do now? To see these files, that I just added on GitHub, what do you do?
It's this,
Locally,
yes.
if you want to have them locally, yeah, you have them on GitHub. If you want to have them on your computer, on your machine, Ubuntu
I
machine, on
must
AWS, pull, right? No,
yes,
you
yes,
have already cloned this. You cloned just once.
yes, I time git pull.
And now show the viewers what you have.
Mhm.
Go to your folder. That's all. No, why? Go to your folder. No, graphic user interface. Graphic user interface.
Yes. I have first and second files.
Open first.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and these are the commands. And our website will be a Django project, yeah, to store the commands that we have already learned. So, and today, and of course, we will store that data in our database. And today, we start working with Postgres Database. It's our first lesson. Very difficult topic to understand. So now type sudo update and sudo apt install PostgreSQL, PostgreSQL contrib. Do you see these lines? These two lines. Sudo apt update. No, bash. From the top. From the top.
Top это вверх.
Bottom, top.
This?
Yeah, copy these two lines. Yeah, and sudo apt update. Copy
Okay.
and go. What do you do now? Go to your AWS machine.
Certain date. Install Postgres. Okay. Maybe. Continue, yes.
Yes. And now type ps. No, just type what I type ps.
BS.
ps. It's C, it's not S. Q L space hyphen hyphen version. See, it means that PostgreSQL was installed on your machine. Now simply follow. What do we do next? Now you need to enter your Postgres. How do we do this? You can type here.
Okay.
Type sudo. No, without
Боже,
delete type. It's not type I, it's Y type. Sudo hyphen U, it's user, stands for user flag. U space Postgres, yeah, is your username here by default. Postgres. And please delete the cursor because it's bothering me. I know it is. Yes. Postgres and space PSQL. And this is how you go inside. Enter. See, Postgres. And now we have entered our database. So what do we do now? How do we see all the databases that we have here? We haven't entered a database because what is Postgres? It's like we have other like databases inside. We can have many different websites, understand?
Mm-hmm.
And for each website, we need to create a separate individual database. And if you want to see the databases that we have here, of course, we haven't created any databases here, so you will see default ones. By default, there are a few databases here. So type /L, enter. Maybe
Yes.
backward slash. I don't remember. Let's try backward slash. Yes.
Yes.
And we have Postgres template. How do we create a database? So right now, we are beginning to work actually. Yeah, we're learning Postgres database, but at the same time, we're beginning to learn with our future website. The website will be storing our commands that we have learned. Python commands, Postgres commands, Git commands, and so on. And to create a database, you type create database. And of course, usually it's common practice to use uppercase letters. Create database. Yeah, it will still work if you use lowercase letters, but it's common practice. Create database, and the name of the database, it will be commands. And here lowercase, not uppercase, lowercase. And you
Enter.
need to do what right now? Remember then when you type create database, like select, you need to put at the end what? Maybe you can guess.
Uh, uh, Semicolon.
Semicolon. It's a colon.
1 minute. Так.
Enter.
Я сделала что не так, да?
Let's do it one more time. Create database commands. You forgot to exit. You didn't exit. Yes. See, create database. And now you can type L /L one more time to see the databases that we have. See commands. Is our database. We'll be working in this database, and we will connect this database to our Django website. And so we have learned how to work with Git. We will keep our code. We will have two repositories, one repository for our website, and the second repository for our SQL. SQL files is like we will dump our database into that file. It means that if something happens to our website, for example, hackers destroy it, yeah, like ruin our website, we don't care because we have backed up our database. Understand? And we will be backing up our database in those SQL files, and we will keep them on GitHub. And this is why we'll need one more repository. One repository will be for code and another for SQL files, so that we can always restore our database, no matter what happens. Of course, it's more common to use to keep SQL files not on GitHub, but on different websites because they usually weigh a lot. They are big in size. And now, how do we connect to this database. For this, type backwards slash backslash C, and the name of the database is not C, it's S. And the name of the database that we just created.
No commands, yes?
Yeah, that's all. You are now connected to database commands as user Postgres. Now, for example, it's not for example, on our future website, we will have many pages. Python commands, right? Postgres commands, another page. And all these pages will be linked with each other. Git commands, Windows commands, Ubuntu commands, and so on. So like I said, every time we learn a new command, we will add that command to the database. Very, very convenient, right? And what do you think we need to have for those pages in our database?
Что мы должны иметь на этих страничках?
Please speak English. Please speak English. I'm begging you.
I don't understand
What do we
your
need to
question.
understand? What do we need to have in those pages? For each, not on, for each page. So in this database that we just created,
Tables?
there will be,
No,
tables, of course, tables, yes. And now, how do we create a table?
No, create a table.
Yeah,
No, I type
type create table. And the name of the table, let's let it be Python commands. Python underscore commands.
Commands.
No. Don't be in a hurry. Create table. And now we need to tell what this table looks like. We need to understand how many columns. Huh?
I create this table or not?
No, you failed. Error. We need to tell the system what our table will look like. How many columns it will have. Description, for example. Yeah. Create table.
Create table.
The name of the table.
And after that.
You can go, enter. Enter. See, and now on the next line, we have a bracket, left bracket. It means that we are still working in this. Although we are on the next line, we're still in this. And type column 1 will be command, right? By command. Space. And now type varchar. Variable character, varchar. Capital letters, usually capital letters, varchar. Var, not war, var. Char. And in brackets, the number of the characters. Usually no space. After varchar, no space. And I think 100 will be enough for a command, although there are very long commands. Yeah, but I think 100 will be enough. Now comma, be careful, comma, enter. And now description. Description is when we describe, description. And here you can type text, or let's use, it's more correct to use text here, but let's use varchar and let's specify the number of the characters at 200, because usually, it takes more words to describe something. 200, yeah. And now what do? We type enter, and now we need to close the bracket. And and now what? Don't press enter, don't hit enter now. Semicolon. Yes, do this please. See, create a table. If it is written create table, it means that the table has been created. How
Okay.
do we see the tables that we have in this
No,
database?
type L or not?
Yes, no,
Support.
L, we see the databases. So imagine you have 5 websites, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And for each website, you need to create an individual database. But right now we are connected to the database commands, which works with our website commands. And now that we are inside this database, we work with tables. We don't work with databases anymore because we are inside this database. And now we need to see the tables that we have. And to see the
Maybe type.
tables, we type backslash dt. Enter. See?
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
And now, how do we insert information
Maybe
in these
select.
columns? So,
Maybe select.
select, of course. You remember, good memory.
Uh-huh.
Select. And
What?
what do we need to use if we want to select everything from all columns? And star,
Uh,
asterisk, or star?
uh,
No, a symbol star. Symbol.
no.
It's 8.
What is
Character, star, asterisk.
ah sorry.
Space. Capital letters, uppercase, from. So it means select everything, select all from, and the name of the data of the table. And don't forget to put a
Mm,
semicolon at the end. It's a database. It's not a table.
uh,
We are
no
inside the
columns.
database right now. We need to fetch the information from the table.
This.
See what we have here.
Mm-hmm.
But what do you see? We have 2
Nothing.
columns, command and description, but we have no
Mm-hmm.
information because we haven't added anything to these columns. How do we add values? How do we put values? Type
No, type
insert,
value.
stop it, insert
Insert.
into the name of the table.
Insert into Python.
No,
Oi,
lowercase.
sorry. Python commands.
And now we need to, in brackets, we type the name of the columns. No space.
Mm-hmm. Command.
Command, the first column, comma, and description, the second. No, in the same bracket. Inside brackets, description. Close the bracket. Enter. No, enter. Values. So insert into what? Insert values. Right? Значение.
Mm-hmm.
Values. And now in brackets. And now strings. Строки, strings. No, strings. What is a string in Python? I think we learned strings. Strings go inside. Strings are always wrapped in quotes. Let it be
Yeah.
like double quotes or single quotes, double. No. And here let's type a command. Python command. What can it be?
So,
Python command. Let's type for. Type for. And description is a for loop. For loop. Yeah, in brackets,
Comma, yes, comma.
comma, space, yeah. Description. For is a loop for loop. We need it to work. We need it for iterations. We need it for iterations. We need it for we need it, not we need it. We need it for iterations.
What is it?
Iterations. It. Iterations. It.
Iteration.
The first letter is I, not E.
Yes.
Iteration after TE.
This
After TE, not I,
after
E.
E.
Yes, and now put a semicolon. Enter.
I can type. What doesn't work? Wait, why it doesn't work?
Let's use single quotes instead of double quotes. Single quotes. You can copy maybe everything.
Okay.
No, insert into Python.
Ah, really?
I think we need to use single quotes. It doesn't work with double quotes. Enter. Values, copy values, and replace double quotes with single ones.
Wait. 4. Oops. It. This
Semicolon.
and this. No. This.
Enter.
Enter.
Yes.
Yes.
So now you know, right, that double quotes don't work here. Now let's fetch information from the columns. Bring, fetch.
I type fetch, yes?
No, select.
Uh-huh. Select from, yes.
Everything from, yeah, star means all. No, the name of tables and databases are written with lowercase letters, in lowercase letters.
It's a mistake?
It's not a mistake, but it's a common practice. It will still work, but you need to stick to these rules. See? We have for, and for loop, we need it for iteration. Let's add one more. Let's add one more value.
So, into Python commands. Python commands. Command, yes.
Command, the first column, yeah.
Description. Enter
And here values. And here,
values.
yes, in single quotes, type Python space manage.py manage.py space run server. Yeah, and description.
One word.
Description. Yes, one
Ah,
more.
comma
Description, we need
and
this command to run the server. We need this command to run our Django server. To run our Django server. Capital letter Django. Semicolon at the end. Enter. Let's see. Select everything from
everything from Python.
semicolon.
Semicolon.
Let's
Access
create one more
knowledge.
table. This table is for Python commands. And let's create one more table for Git commands. So we are creating many tables inside the same database. And after that, we will connect this database and we will be able to fetch all the information from this database to our website. Git commands. No. Here you need to type what your command, what your table will look like, how many columns it will have.
I forgot. Create table git commands.
You can go to your file that I shared with you. Maybe it will be there. The second file, I think.
Maybe yes.
Yes, create
Так.
database, create table,
Database.
see?
Create table inside the database. ID.
Yeah, or more simple for now. Yeah, it's
Virtual.
below, more simple for now. See, create table name and this one. Yes.
Да. Virtual. Окей. Ой. Где была? Я уже запуталась.
Where was I?
Ага.
Yes,
Так.
and
Git
enter
commands. Enter.
bracket. And here, yeah, command. No, command. Go back and see one and look one more time. Have a look one more time. Have one more look.
Command. Virtual. Yes.
And in brackets, the number of the characters.
100. Enter.
Comma. No,
And
comma, no mistake, comma.
what I must do now?
Type semicolon to, that's all, semicolon, and enter. Okay, type exit. Why? Or just, yeah, or this one. Use yeah, \q. Okay, now enter this, enter your Postgres one more time. How do you do this?
Что должно? Postgres.
Type
Sudo u
sudo,
Postgres.
yeah, sudo u, no, sudo, not sudo,
Sudo u
yes, u, Postgres,
Postgres. Oh my god.
PSQL.
PSQL.
Now let's see the databases that we have here.
L.
Connect to the database commands.
Like this.
And no, the name of the database after this.
What?
Right now you are connected to the default database, Postgres. As a user Postgres, you need to connect to the database commands because we created our table in our commands database.
No
Type
commands.
the name of this database, of course. And now one more
Uh-huh.
time, let's see the tables that we have inside this database.
Select from
Mhm.
Python. No, it's как увидеть все таблицы?
No, just from one table. No, how do
Python
we
command.
\dt?
/dt.
Yes, and these are the tables inside our database. So one more time, tell me why we need a database and why we need tables. How do you understand? Tell me.
No, for example, if we create a website,
Mm-hmm.
uh, no, like store, online store, uh, we must create tables
We
for
create
compute.
tables inside a database. First, we need to create a database.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
And then
no,
we connect
это
this database to our website. We'll
yes,
be
we
working with
connect.
Django. And then
Ой, 1
inside
minute.
this database, we create tables.
Sorry, 1 minute.
Mhm.
Sorry, it's my grandmother.
Mhm.
Uh, yes, and we can add new tables. Ну, я не знаю, как это объяснить на английском. Это ужас, блин,
I don't know
какой-то.
how to explain this in English. Try it, because you need to speak English, you need to have practice, because we kill two
It
birds with
doesn't
one
work.
stone.
Website doesn't work without database. It's like without database, it's like only pictures.
Mm-hmm.
You can't. Mm, I don't know. You can't see the store have this computer or doesn't have.
If.
No,
Mhm.
yes, or
You don't
no, like
see
this.
if this or these things are available in stock. Yeah, if the shop has these things in stock, right?
Yes.
And for that, we need to create a database. Then we connect this database to, right, to our website, and we can create as many tables as we like. For example, we have many
Mm-hmm.
products. We create one table for one product, for one set of products, right? We create one more table for another set of products. We create a table for our customers. Yeah, how many customers we have, their names, their like emails, addresses, yeah, their email, their addresses, and so on. And now we connect. Usually, we connect just one database to a website. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, for example, on my website, I have just one database, but I have a lot of tables. Maybe 40, maybe 50, maybe 60. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
But I have just one database connected to my website. And now let's see and see we have just one database. Let's create one more database and that's all for today.
One more.
Mhm.
Oh, how to create? 1 minute. Ой, 1 minute. Так, create database name. Okay. Так, create database.
Git commands, right?
Yes, git commands.
And
Так, and
you
now,
forgot to put
uh,
a bracket. You need to type Q one more time. Okay, you will do this as a homework, okay?
mm-hmm.
So you will need to create three more tables. It will be GitHub, Git commands.
Mm-hmm.
We have created Python commands, Postgres commands, and that's all. Yeah, so you will create Git commands, and Postgres commands. Two more tables. And to complete the first 13 lessons. That is three
Mm-hmm.
more.
Okay.
Start. It'll be a homework.
Okay.
Now tell me what we did today.
Okay. Today we learned uh, Postgres SQL. We work. No, we created a database command, and we created a new table, a new
Inside that database.
inside this database. Yes, uh, uh, learned uh, how to see all database, all
Tables.
tables.
Databases,
Yes,
tables. We also
no,
learned
how
that we need to connect a database to a website.
yes, how to connect database.
We didn't do this. We haven't connected a database to a website, but
No, we speak.
we talked
Мы
about
общались.
this. We
Yes,
discussed
we
this.
talked about it.
We touched on this.
Yeah, and maybe no, maybe that's all.
And
We
also we worked with GitHub a bit, right? So I pushed a few
yes, yes,
files,
yes.
text files to GitHub. You also saw that sometimes we need to, when we push and the information is different on our remote repository, we need to type git push hyphen hyphen force, and you will
Mm-hmm.
override your repository.
Yes.
And the opposite action is to type git reset hyphen hyphen hard origin, yeah, and main, the branch. And then you type enter and then git pull. And this is how, if, for example, if you have a conflict, if you have if you have something if you have something on your GitHub and totally different locally, and you have to solve a lot of conflicts. Oh my God, it's so many different changes, right? And in that case, if you don't want to do this, because conflicts is always difficult to resolve conflicts, you simply overwrite what you have on GitHub. You overwrite what you have locally with what you have on GitHub by typing git reset hyphen hyphen hard origin / main, for example, the name of the branch.
Mm-hmm.
So, and see, this is how everything is learned. Step by step, gradually, yeah. But it takes some time. Unfortunately, yeah, programming, there are a lot easier things. Yeah. There are a lot of easier things to learn. For example, we can get a job as a sales assistant, right? It doesn't require a lot of skills. You just need to be sociable, communicative, and that's all, right? But
Yes.
these are what we call hard skills. Hard skills are hard to get, as the name suggests. And we are acquiring hard skills. We are making you a very good IT specialist. So we are laying a foundation, a very, very strong foundation, very solid foundation. Okay, that's all for today. See you on Wednesday. Bye.
Thank you for the lesson. Bye.
Bye.